Of careful notes, previously uh, we had spoken about the inefficacy of malaria medication as well as the pathway that aids in the efficacy. Taking note of considering the fact that there are malaria pathogens which otherwise cause individuals to be asymptomatic. This could be due to the similar previously discussed, as well as the mutation, which I had stated previously that the cloning at different um, times, given the state of the efficacy of the malaria medication, will result in uh, curbing the malaria, although we do know that the environments in which we reside have a contribution to the toxicity of the liver. We have to take careful note of the ages not necessarily contributing to the liver toxins. However, a significant amount of alcohol do cause a symptom because the endocrine will not necessarily be focusing on the combating or detection of any pathogen per se under the influence of substances which are not natural, such as the smoke where people have bonfires or burning of garbage, or the fell fires or forest fires, which are common according to demography. The different testing techniques should be also taken into consideration. Change a slight change in the genomes and the testing methods. The regular of the first and subsequent visits of testing of patients would be more productive rather than the later stage of the malaria giving rise to other illnesses, because indirectly it will lead back to the toxicity of the liver. Another consideration is the second species whereby the malaria reproduce, which is higher, and the mutation which is not tested thereof, which most probably will be, according to probability, pigs as well as cows, given the fact that there is a significant amount of foot and mouth disease, which is mutating on its own, as well as not necessarily tested as much or as quick as should be. Thus, the mutation of the malaria leading back to the amount of people infected and the substances in the system, as well as the liver toxicity, contribute to the asymptoms, because the state of the endocrine, alongside coordination as well as the minimal testing result in further mutation. My name is Onsile Pretty Gumbi Ganda.